Technic Paw says hello to a new video. In today's video we want to show you how you can install on your Android TV. How this works exactly, you will find out after the intro. We have an Android TV here. In my case it is a basic, but it works with any Android TV. And we want to install Snapchat on it. First we switch to our Play Store and type in Snapchat. It will probably not be found, but I'll show you anyway, so you can see what we can do here if the thing is not found. So we type in Snapchat here and go to the magnifying glass. And we see Snapchat is not displayed to us. But what options do we have now? Very simple. We go to our other store, which we have already. To you here on the channel. At the end of the video you will find out how you can install it. We go to our home page again. Up here, home page. And here we have our other store, which is called Aptoide TV. And we open that. And here we have the option to install the whole thing. We have already shown you in the previous videos how you can even install WhatsApp and Skype on any. Although it is not available in the store. As you can see here, also TeamView, Plex and many more. So we go to the magnifying glass and type in Snapchat here. And you see, Snapchat already appears here automatically. Go to the magnifying glass. And here I have Snapchat. And I can install that now. I have already installed it before. That's why it's already inside of me. You can also uninstall it, further versions, whatever. And if you click on it, you just have to log in with your access data here. And you can already enjoy Snapchat on TV. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will always be up to date. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Assim.